One more take. की बात है. कुशल यार क्या सही जगह पे रहता है भाई. So guys, आज हम आए हैं सनसेट पार्क. So अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं कुशाल के घर पे. आपको हाउस टूर तो मिल जाएगा, बट दिस इज द व्यू दैट आई गेट फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस. थोड़ा जूम करके दिखाता हूँ. पूरा मैनहट्टन दिखता है यहाँ से तो. वाओ, क्रेजी. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pranav in USA. So guys, आज हम वापस आ चुके हैं with another house tour. और इस बार हमें मिलेगा हाउस टूर कुशाल के घर का.
Yeah, not the best house, but
नहीं अच्छा है यार.
much better than it.
Yes. So guys, हम लोग आए थे सनसेट पार्क में. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं. Oh my god, it's very cold.
हम दोनों साइड में आ गए.
Oh my god, पकड़ नहीं पा रहा हूँ भाई, मेरे हाथ जम गए. So guys, हम लोग कुशाल के घर तो जा ही रहे, बट ऑन द वे हमें एक स्टोर भी दिख गया जहाँ से कुशाल यूजुअली शॉप करता है. क्या क्या लेता है यहाँ से?
So as you know, recently Instacart ने minimum hourly पे चालू कर दिया है सारे shoppers के लिए. So
Correct.
it's now expensive to buy anything online. So this is a place where I come to buy any random things like tomato, potatoes, and let's say if anyone is coming to my house to buy anything like to eat. So I just come beforehand and bring, like if you see over here, it's ramen or anything. I just come here, buy it, and then make it so that people. It's very convenient
So
if you stay in a Sunset Park because there are a lot of big stores, same like Trader Joe, and it's comparatively cheap now. So I just come here. So it's a good locality to stay compared to the other areas like Mensa.
और इसका नाम क्या है? की फूड.
Yeah, it is Key Food Fresh.
यहाँ पे ऊपर लिखा हुआ है की फूड फ्रेश.
The prices are similar to Trader Joe's or
Okay.
Target, yeah.
This is where special gym जाता है.
ज़्यादा मतलब मेंबरशिप है मेरे पास.
ये जो पीछे जो जगह दिखी आपको, प्लैनेट फिटनेस. कितनी बार जाता है भाई?
मेंबरशिप मेरी 3 साल से चल रही है और अब तक मैं 30 बार भी नहीं गया हूँ.
अच्छा. तो तू सही जिम जा रहा है.
बट मैं मेंबरशिप मैंने एक बार भी कैंसिल नहीं किया.
आप जैसे लोग टारगेट ऑडियंस है.
काफी मोटिवेटिंग है वो.
लेट्स गो.
बट मैं वही अभी नोटिस कर रहा था ऐसे रिकॉर्ड करते वक्त कि यहाँ पे मैक्सिकन और एशियन रेस्टोरेंट्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. सो आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि मतलब वो पॉपुलेशन यहाँ पे ज़्यादा है, मतलब वो ज़्यादा
dominated
population is that.
After 20 stations it's Arabic and after 20 station it's
जैसे कि मेरी साइड जहाँ पे मैं बेरिज में रहता हूँ, which is another neighborhood, इसके जस्ट बाद होता है वहाँ पे टर्किश एंड वो टाइप की ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन.
मेडिटेरियन.
यस. एंड यहाँ पे ये जो ये कितना 2 स्टेशन आ गया मुझसे. 3 स्टेशन. 4 स्टेशन. 86 के 77.
Yeah, like it's just 30 streets away.
30
streets away. Yes.
मैं 88th पे रहता हूँ and कुशल stays on 49th. बट फिर भी इतना ज़्यादा डिफरेंस आ जाता है.
Like back in India, it was like after 2 kilometers, language change,
Yes.
dialect change. Here, every 10th street, yeah,
रेसी चेंज हो जाती है.
race change. Yeah, correct. But still, entire Brooklyn is like.
वैसा ही है. मतलब you will
Entirely
find
from immigration. There is like there aren't many American students. Everyone is an immigrant over here, especially in Brooklyn, because it's more like a Borivali and Malad of Mumbai. People just do hard work over here, and after they do the hard work, they shift to if they succeed, they move to Manhattan and Manhattan. He lives in Boysen. So yeah, that's the story of every student over here.
Yes.
First they start with Brooklyn, they fight, and eventually they move to Manhattan, or if not, then they take a demote to Harrison.
Yes. और सो गाइज और एक फैसिनेटिंग चीज़ ये नेबरहुड के बारे में ये कि पूरा अपहिल पे है, तो सब जगह पे आपको स्लोप्स ही स्लोप्स मिलेंगे. नथिंग इज ऐसे क्या कहते हैं फ्लैट लैंड पे नहीं है. तो अभी हम लोग नीचे जा रहे हैं. अगर आप पीछे देखोगे तो ये ऊपर से हम लोग नीचे जा रहे हैं अभी. एंड आपको अभी तुम लोग को एक और चीज़ पता है, तुम लोग ने वुल्फ ऑफ वॉल स्ट्रीट देखी होगी. देख उसमें वो बंदी जो रहती है उसमें वो एक वो बेरिज में रहती है, पता है. और यही नेबरहुड उस मूवी में भी दिखाया है. सो वन ऑफ द हाउसेस जो मूवी में रिकॉर्ड हुई है, पता नहीं कौन सी है, बट इट्स वन ऑफ देम. सो गाइस दिस इज सनसेट पार्क, और यहाँ पे सारे हाउसेस का आर्किटेक्चर ऐसा ही है, तो आप देख सकते हो.
We had a snowstorm last week, so that's the reason why there is so much snow gets collected, and there's a lot of garbage right now because of the snowstorm thing. But otherwise, the entire neighborhood is extremely clean, extremely.
Yes.
Okay, this is my house.
All right, let's go.
Not the best place to live in, but it is what it is. We were in a very hurry to find a new house because my roommate and I had got the job at the same time, and there weren't a lot of choices we had. So we just contacted with an owner.
So यहाँ से चालू होता है कुशल का हाउस टूर. तो चलो चलते हैं. Finally, let's go.
Just for the context, we are 3 boys and we are never into cleanliness.
Okay. कोई बात नहीं.
So it's a very small house. So what the
Yes.
owner has done is he has converted a hall into one room.
Okay.
So this is the kitchen area.
हाँ. So guys, ये है किचन एरिया. So मतलब हम लोग ने एंटर किया था, and the first thing which we see is the kitchen area.
True.
So this is how the kitchen looks like. So decent size, platform छोटा है.
So one more thing compared to Berridge, Berridge houses are comparatively
थोड़े से बड़े
bigger in size
Yes.
compared to Sunset Park. But good thing about Sunset Park is it's very near to the Manhattan. So it's
Yes.
like just 5 to 7 stations, and you don't have to take R and then N.
R.
You can directly take R and reach as soon as possible. So it's, for me, it's 30 minutes away if you want to go
Correct.
to J Street, or 40 minutes for my office commute. So this is just the common storeroom areas
Okay.
where we keep our stuff. And
अच्छा ये
we are just,
क्या लगता क्या है यहाँ पे?
3 people stays. It's like air fryer and anything like. We are just 3 people and two people don't even cook food, so you can assume that.
सिर्फ तू ही बनाता है ना?
It's only me who cooks food alternate days, and the other 2 just make a meal prep for a week.
For the entire week.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's the thing.
So guys यहाँ
There's again
पे
storeroom.
ये थोड़ा लॉन्ड्री टाइप एंड स्टोर रूम जैसा.
True.
Yes. So
And-
इसमें एक बाथरूम है, कितने बाथरूम है?
It's only 1 bathroom because there's only 3 people.
Okay.
And this is one of the room of my roommate.
तो ये सामने वाली जो फ्रंट साइड है वो भाई ने मंदिर भी रखा है. नाइस. द क्लोसेट, यहाँ पे बेड है. एंड गाइस ये रही सामने वाली साइड. सो इसको तो काफी अच्छा व्यू मिलता होगा यार.
But not the not the cleanest window. Yeah.
सही है. सो दिस इज द व्यू. सो गाइस ऐसा मत सोचो कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारा ट्रैश है. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि लास्ट वीक
snowstorm, the cleaning people haven't done their work because of the
Yes.
snowstorm thing.
तो थोड़ा डीले है उस
Yeah,
चीज़.
that's the reason delay. It's not, but the entire Brooklyn area is
So
very.
just don't think कि सब जगह पे ट्रैश बाहर पड़ा हुआ है. It's just that सारे लोग यूजुअली अपना ट्रैश बाहर निकाल के रख देते हैं. सो गाइस मैं आपको थोड़ा दूर से दिखाता हूँ विंडो का स्ट्रक्चर. सो इतनी बड़ी ये सामने की साइड विंडो, एंड दिस इज originally a living room, right? ये hall था.
This is actually a hall.
Correct.
But the owner converted this to another room.
Correct.
And this is an Indian jugaad. So my roommate's mom, she converted this
Fireplace को guys मंदिर में बना दिया है.
just converted into the mandir.
क्रेजी भाई, क्या आइडिया है यार. सही में सही है, बहुत सही है. तो पहली बार देख रहा हूँ फायरप्लेस को भाई मंदिर बना दिया.
So we are very spiritual people who live over
करेक्ट,
here.
सही बात है भाई.
Yeah.
सही बात है. चलो भाई कुशल भाई.
वो आप कर.
And
this is the washroom.
okay. So guys, decent size का washroom है.
Yeah.
3 लोग रह रहे हैं तो yes, quite big. So this is how it looks like. Nice. Hello. तो चलो चलते हैं.
And this is really a raw and unfiltered
काफी realistic version है.
version of my room. I haven't cleaned anything, so he just
कोई
told me
बात
that I'm gonna come and show your house. I'm like, okay, and this is my temporary house. I'm gonna be moving within a month or 2 or maybe 3.
Yes.
Because my roommates, my other friends are also looking for a house in Newport maybe. But this is my raw and unfiltered version. So please don't judge this place.
नहीं भाई, हम कौन होते जज करने वाले भाई.
So this is the main place where I do all my office का work
Yes.
and all my anything that I have to brainstorm on anything. And this is my small spiritual.
गणपति बाप्पा है यहाँ पे. And what I can see is that you're a big fan of suits. Is that so?
Yes, I'm a big fan of suits.
So guys, अगर आपको पता होगा ये बंदा कौन है तो फिर तो आपको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. But
And
this
this
is the guy because of which इसने हमें बोला कि भाई आओ न्यूयॉर्क.
This is the reason why I choose NYU.
Same bro.
This is the reason why I'm so attached with New York City and Brooklyn, especially because I like staying in a city where.
So guys, यहाँ पे कुशल को उसका सेपरेट से एक wardrobe भी मिला है.
Yeah, true. The wardrobe is a very big. It's the biggest in my house currently, and it's the biggest from the entire last 3 houses which I have been in.
Okay.
It's
तो
a good
काफी
place
ज्यादा
to
जगह है.
live.
काफी ज्यादा जगह है.
And
इधर ही सोता है क्या? So कुशाल घर तो
And
पूरा
yeah,
दिखा दिया है.
and
अभी
that's
थोड़ी
a
बैठ के
very-
थोड़ी बातें करते हैं
that's a very
कि
small house.
रेंट ये सब
Yeah,
कैसे
true,
मिला
true,
वो
true,
सब
true.
और प्रीवियस घर के बारे में थोड़ा
True,
बहुत
true,
बता
true,
देना.
true.
So let's sit and chat.
Yeah, sure.
Alright guys, हम लोग ने कुशल का घर तो
आपके क्वेश्चनर का है सब.
सब दिमाग
एक्टिंग तो कर लो फोन में.
दिमाग पे लेके चलता हूँ guys. So guys, कुशल का घर तो दिखा दिया है. So अभी बंदे से भी बात कर ली जाए थोड़ी बहुत और उसको भी थोड़ा पूछते हैं कि उसको ये घर कैसे मिला, कहाँ से मिला, and let's talk about the housing strategy क्योंकि उसको ये घर कितने दिनों के अंदर मिला तुझे? 15 to.
So my job started on October. मैंने 1 महीने का सबलीज लिया हुआ था.
Okay.
And I was in search of a new house. Fortunately, October को मेरा birthday भी था तो मेरे one of my friend wished me and I told him that hey I'm looking for a new house. तो उसने बोला मैं भी ढूंढ रहा हूँ and he had already scouted few houses and this was one of the nearest houses to Sunset Park, to Patel Store, and that's how he referred me to this place and that's how we started.
So guys, this is not his first house. This is probably his third house.
In
First,
USA,
fourth.
it's
Fourth?
my fourth house.
Fourth house. तो चारों घरों के हम लोग रेंट पूछने वाले हैं. भाई पहले वाले का बता कितना था?
पहले का था $550 because I was sharing with one of my friend and roommate,
Yeah.
friend back in India. Yeah.
So again, that was in our neighborhood. You can
Yeah,
say.
it was
Fourth
just a
Hamilton.
5 minutes walk from your house.
Correct. So you मेरे पहले बहुत पास में
Yeah,
था, and that
actually.
was like a sharing room. So that time it was total rent was.
Total rent was 1100. And it was a very huge room. That's why the rent was 1100 and my
And
share was $550.
And उसके बाद में he switched to his own private room.
Yes, next year, yeah. And the rent was again it was in Bay Ridge, but the subway was very near. Like I was staying 83rd Street, and the rent was $820.
$820.
Yeah,
Okay.
and it was a private room.
Right. और इसके बाद हमारे कुशल भाई ने डिसाइड किया कि वो न्यूयॉर्क छोड़ के जा रहे हैं.
That was the most
Oh, shit.
painful thing that when you're staying in New York City, you're watching like going Manhattan to and fro, taking the N train, and then suddenly one day you realize you're not going to be here.
Oh, yeah.
And you won't be meeting your friends. But it was a step which I had to take, and that time that was the most logical step that I could think of, and that's the reason I had to go to far from the New York City. and over there the rent was $450.
$450. Okay, right. So again, I mean, अगर आप city के बाहर रहोगे तो the rent is of course going to be very much cheaper. So I think New York is one of the most expensive place to live. And I think LA, California side also again, like, I mean, there are like few outliers you can say when it comes to like, you know, high paying rent.
I guess when you live outskirts of the cities, the rents are usually 50, half of the rent which
Right.
in the city.
Because I do know like friends of mine, मतलब एक friend मेरा Ohio में रहता था and he used to pay like कुछ 300 or 350.
Crazy.
Then there was one more friend of mine who used to stay in Virginia and again he was paying about like 400 or 450. 450 is like the max you can say, but again like most of the rents उसी आपको range में मिलेंगी. It's just New York जहाँ पे आपको literally double pay करना पड़ेगा और more than that I guess.
True.
If you're going for the studio apartment अगर आप Manhattan side जा रहे हो. So guys, this is another neighborhood which is considered very student friendly and it is one of those neighborhoods जो बेरेज के साथ में जिसका नाम लिया जाता है when it comes to like students जो usually NYC आते हैं. So as per you, तुझे भी अभी 2 साल से ज़्यादा हो गया. So what do you think? What are those factors जो तू usually consider करता है हर बार जब भी तूने कोई नए घर में move in किया या कोई नई locality या नए neighborhood में? So what are those factors that you should like consider?
So this advice is particularly for students,
Right.
Especially for NYU tandem students or by and large entire NYU. First is safety. Safety is like most important thing over here, and safety, like there are particular areas which are very student friendly and there are particular areas where the rent will be seen cheap, but that will be very like the locality is very
Right.
there always a gun shoot or some kind of other thing which is not very student friendly.
Right.
That activity that goes on. So मैं आपसे यही बोलूँगा कि first is safety. Look at your localities like Sunset Park or Bay Ridge or New Jersey, General Square. Those are the localities where you'll find Indian student in a large number of large scale.
Large scale, yeah.
And the second one will be connectivity and how far your house is from your college, NYU
right.
Tandon or NYU Courant or Stern. And the third will be it will be groceries. Are there any grocery stores nearby to your place? And the fourth would be like if your preference is gym or any other activities. So the priority is safety, connectivity, groceries, and fourth is gym and other amenities that you really need.
So in one way, अगर आप compare कर रहे हो कि बेरिज और Sunset Park में, so Sunset Park is a little bit better when it comes to like, you know, it's closer to the campus and of course like the connectivity because बेरिज वाले लोग solely rely on our train. But Sunset Park में you also have the option to go with.
No, it's again our train, but our train में delay काफी होती है at the end part.
Right.
There's a lot of delay near the Paris station, but for us it's just a 30 minutes commute to J Street and.
But you also get an option to go for N train, right?
True, we also got a option of to going N train to Express and reach Manhattan directly.
So guys, मैं आपको जाते वक्त तो स्टेशन तो दिखाई दूंगा. So I think we're gonna wrap up this video and भाई खाने में क्या है?
खाने में है मैगी.
So guys, we'll be back with another video. So keep watching and thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye bye. Oh my.